Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an incredibly useful and often overlooked accessory that can save any content creator, musician, or audio enthusiast a lot of headaches. The DUWUZEST 8Pcs Mic Thread Adapter Kit. This isn't just a collection of random screws. It's a thoughtfully assembled set designed to bridge the gap between various pieces of audio and video equipment. The kit comes with 8 pieces, offering 4 distinct types of thread adapters, with 2 of each kind. This includes 3/8 female to 5/8 male, 3/8 male to 5/8 female, 5/8 female to 1/4 male, and 1/4 female to 5/8 male. These combinations are incredibly common in the world of microphones, camera mounts, and other recording gear, making this kit a true problem solver for mismatched threads. Whether one is trying to mount a specific microphone onto a standard stand, attach a recorder to a camera rig, or simply ensure a mic clip fits perfectly, these adapters provide the necessary versatility. What immediately stands out is the build quality. These adapters are crafted from aluminum alloy and finished with a frosted black paint. This isn't just for aesthetics, it speaks to their durability. They feel robust and reliable in hand, promising a lasting performance. The material choice ensures they are sturdy and firm, hard to fade, and resistant to rust or corrosion, which is crucial for gear that might be used in various environments or frequently handled. This robust construction means users can trust them to securely hold their valuable equipment without worry. A clever design feature that enhances usability is the slot found on the bottom of the 5/8 male to 3/8 female and 5/8 male to 1/4 female screw adapters. This small but significant detail allows for easy installation and removal, preventing frustrating fumbling when one needs to quickly adjust their setup. It's these small touches that elevate a product from merely functional to genuinely user-friendly. Furthermore, the entire set comes neatly packed in a small bag, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. For creators on the go, or those who frequently reconfigure their studio space, this portability is a huge advantage. One can simply toss the bag into a gear case without adding significant bulk or weight, ensuring they always have the right adapter on hand. In essence, the DUWUZEST 8Pcs Mic Thread Adapter Kit is an indispensable tool for anyone working with audio or video equipment. Its comprehensive range of common thread types, durable aluminum alloy construction, thoughtful design features like the easy install slot, and convenient portability make it an excellent investment. It truly brings a nice experience by simplifying equipment setup and expanding compatibility across a wide array of mic stands, recorder stands, camera stands, and mic clips. This kit ensures that one's creative flow is never interrupted by a simple thread mismatch.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.